Shibanta banis nok tilang berkari hi berkawai. Nakabanta barakhe ya ka Republic Day ke banyopo. Nakaliang kibor penyat distrik jong karibo distrik henen kasngi kalarakhe ya kane kasngi kerpang hapo NSCA mini stadium Palms M nongpo. Hakane ke jingrakhe lasaki ya ke jing shibanta ka bacit ham laki pajba ka distrik ki kena school laki school beper hakaba uba singaw bhalang dhar menteri ka sarkar uba dewan pej berkemi ya ka tanat transport lem berkiwi-kiwi kitanan ulalong kum ukongsan banshim ya ka banta penher ya ka lama jongkari badru banshim ya ka rastia salute hakajingya ya ka machpas ka balashim menta da palat khasantli ki kunhun jo ki school beper bat ki bor jong ka district executive force ribo district lasakhiru hakane kasngi da ka jingye donlang jong ba Merrill Bonds MLA ka nompo constituency ka kong RM Kurba deputy commissioner ka ribo district uba S Thamar superintendent of police ka district lembat kuwe ki officer jong ka tanat rekam sarkar hakane kasngi la penshit penskan bat pensokshit ya kane ka jirakhe da ka jing shimenta jong kena school ka cultural program lengba ki jingrwai bak jingshat nakliang ki bor pniat jong ka district kila samru iki kusnam chiki hun samna jong kane ka district ki balawan ra ya kanam ka burom ya ka district haki banta beper badru la sam ki kusnam shekinong job hakamach pas bat cultural program
in collaboration with Embassy of France has been formalized with the first ever exhibition held at the French Embassy in New Delhi during the month of May 2018, which was a runway success. In an effort to strengthen the extension and outreach network in relevant fields, the Agricultural Technology Management Agency (ATMA) has been operationalized in all relevant districts in the state under the horticulture sector, and the state government continues to implement various state plan scheme for development of vegetables, fruit plantation, tuber, crop spices extra, on promotional basis, as well as to provide assistance to the farming community to upscale their economic returns. And a 5 years mission lockdown term 2018-2023 was launched, and this would focus on one of Meghalaya's most well-known spices, the Lakadong turmeric, also known as the golden spice, and to put in place targeted intervention aimed at the improvement of livelihood of turmeric farmers in Jaintia Hills. At state level event, even Jackfruit Festival was held on 6 July 2018 at the capacity at the capital city to showcase the amazing health benefit of the fruit, with the hope that grower and local entrepreneurs would take a note of the immense potential of the fruit and work towards exploiting its value addition for generating their higher income. In view of this, the government arrived at the decision that something should be done for this and neglected fruit, and a draft policy on jackfruit mission was launched on the same day. The Directorate of Food Processing under the Agriculture Department was created on May 2018 with a view to develop strong and vibrant food processing industries and to create increased employment in rural sector and enable farmers to reap the benefit of modern technology and to create a surplus for export and simultaneous demand for the process of food in such a system. And the government, through this newly created directorate, will encourage entrepreneurs and youth of the state interested in setting up the various food processing units in different sectors across the state with the help and assistance from the state government. The industry sector is one of the major avenues for economic upliftment of the state, as well as the capacity of this sector is in employment generation cannot be overlooked. With the rapid increase of unemployment, problem vis-a-vis the negative impacts associated, and it has become a pertinent on part of the government to emphasize more on the promotion and development of industries and industrial activities in the state. On the commerce sector, the government has been able to focus on development of infrastructure for export and on the land acquisition for setting up the integrated checkpost ICP at Tamil Nadu, Daupi, Western District. And the department has been able to acquire 82372.6 square meter of land, and the same has been handed over to the government of India for personal ICP. And
मुझको दर पाती stand. I will raise my voice, I will hold your hand. 'Cause we are one, I will beat my drum. I have made my choice, we will overcome. 'Cause we are one.